If you're looking for information on the Howuku Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Howuku Lifetime deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Howuku Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. AI-enabled A/B testing platform. A platform for A/B testing that uses AI technology and is faster and smaller than Google Optimize. No coding is necessary to use it. Exactly what you needed. Our objective was to create a remedy that would fill the gap in the CRO industry after the discontinuation of Google Optimize. Website Visual Editor. Simple, user-friendly WYSIWYG editor for effortless experimentation. No code deployment. Effortlessly run tests and apply winning strategies on your website in real time. AI-guided optimization. This AI assistant generates experiment ideas to maintain your optimization momentum. Howuku Optimize is a CRO platform that simplifies the process of launching tests and deploying live variants on websites. It offers a visual content and code editor as well as AI-based text recommendations for website copy. The platform includes multi-armed banded optimization to maximize the success of experiments and an AI-powered survey generator and summarization tool to collect quality feedback. Howuku Optimize also provides customizable reports with unlimited goals and metrics. The platform makes it easy to launch site experiments and deploy live variants to boost conversions. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Howuku Optimize today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.